Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in quantitative reasoning, we are going to be looking at numbers. Okay? Today's lesson in quantitative reasoning, we are going to be looking at numbers. Okay? Are we ready for the lesson? You are right. You're ready. I am also ready. So in today's lesson in numbers, we are going to be looking at the concept of more and less, and also numbers to words, and counting and comparing numbers. Okay? So are we ready for the lesson? Good. So first we are going to be looking at the concept more or less. What do we mean by more or less? More refers to the greater quantity or number of items, okay? And less indicates a smaller quantity or number of items. Do you understand? Let's say you have 5 apples and your friend has 8 apples. Your friend has more apples than you, right? You have 5 and your friend has 8. Which is higher? 8. So your friends have more apple than you, okay? Do you understand? Unless if you have 6 cookies and your friend has 3 cookies. You have more cookies because 6 is greater than 3, right? And your friend has 3 cookies, so it's less than yours, okay? So we're going to be looking at examples to help us understand this better, okay? So here we have these objects. This is a what? Star, right? This is a star and this is the sun, right? So we have the star and the sun. So which is more and which is less? Which of these objects is more? Is it the star or the sun? Should we count? Okay, let's count. First, we are going to count the stars. Let's see how many stars we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 stars. Now let's count the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sun. So which is more and which is less? The star is more than the sun, right? The star is 7, so the star is more. Okay? So here the star is more. Let's look at another example. We have here, what is this called? This is the moon, right? And here is the cloud. So which is more and which is less? Here we are to answer which is less, okay? So let's count to know which is less. Let's start with counting the moon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 moons. Now let's count the clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 clouds. So which is less? The moon has 6 moons and the cloud has 8 clouds. So which is less? The moon, right? So the moon is less. Do you understand the concept more or less now? You do, right? Okay. So more is a greater quantity or number of items like the examples we have, and less is a smaller quantity or number of items, right? So now we are going to be looking at numbers to words, okay? Numbers to words. So first we are going to be looking at from number 1 to 10 in words, okay? What we mean numbers in words is numbers in letters, okay? Numbers in your alphabets. We are going to be learning how to spell your numbers in letters, okay? That is what we mean by numbers to words. So we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Should we say it together? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Now let's look at those numbers in words, okay? Number 1 is spelled in words O-N-E, okay? O-N-E 1. 1 is spelled in words O-N-E, okay? O-N-E 1. And 2 is spelled in words T-W-O, T-W-O, 2, okay? And 3 is spelled T-H-R-E-E, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4 is spelled F-O-U-R, 4. 5 is spelled F-I-V-E, 5. 6 is spelled S-I-X, 6. Okay? S-I-X, 6. 7 is spelled S-E-V-E-N, 7. Okay? 7 is spelled S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8 is spelled E-I-G-H-T, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9 is spelled N-I-N-E, 9. And 10 is spelled T-E-N, 10. Do you understand? Let's go again from 1, okay? 1 is spelled O-N-E 1, O-N-E 1. 2 is spelled T-W-O 2, okay? 2 is spelled T-W-O. 3 is spelled T-H-R-E-E. 3 is spelled T-H-R-E-E 3. 4 is spelled F-O-U-R. F-O-U-R 4. 5 is spelled F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E 5. And 6 is spelled S-I-X 6. Okay? S-I-X 6. 7 is spelled S-E-V-E-N 7. 8 is spelled E-I-G-H-T 8. And 9 is spelled N-I-N-E 9. And lastly, 10 is spelled T-E-N 10. Okay? Now we can spell from number 1 to 10, right? I'm sure you're going to be able to spell from 1 to 10. Okay, that is good. So now can you spell 1 for me? O-N-E. Good. Can you spell 2? TWO2. Can you spell tree? THREE. Can you spell four? FOUR, four. Can you spell five? FIBE, five. Can you spell six? SIX, six. Can you spell seven? SEVEN, seven. Correct. Can you spell eight? EIGHT, eight. Can you spell nine? NINE, nine. And can you spell 10? TEN, 10. Give yourself a round of applause. That is good. Okay, so next we are going to be looking at greater than and less than. Okay, the sign for greater than is this sign, and the sign for less than is this sign. Okay, greater than and less than. You can use your right hand by bending your elbow to form the greater than sign. Can you do that for me? Okay. Have you done that? Good. So that is the greater than sign, and your left hand can be used to represent the less than sign. Okay? Have you done that? So we have greater than as our right hand and less than as our left hand. Okay? Greater than and less than is used to compare things, numbers, or anything. Okay? If something is greater than the other, this symbol is what is representing it. And if something is less than the other, this symbol represents it. Okay? Let's look at an example. Here we have 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. Is 5 greater than 2? Yes, 5 is bigger than 2. Okay? Do you understand? 5 is bigger than 2. So this side is used to represent that 5 is bigger than 2. Okay? Here we have 2 is less than 5. This is the less than side. So this is read as 2 is less than 5. Okay? And is 2 less than 5? Yes. 2 is less than 5. Remember when counting, 2 comes before 5. Right? So 2 is less than 5. 5 is a greater number. Okay? Do you understand that? We also have here 9 is greater than 6. Is 9 greater than 6? Yes. If you have 9 objects and you have 6 objects, which is more? Is 9, right? So 9 is greater than 6. 9 is bigger than 6. So this is the sign, okay? 9 is greater than 6. Do you understand that? Good. And here we have 4 is less than 8. Is 4 less than 8? Yes. 4 is less than 8. If you have 4 balls and you have 8 balls, which is lesser? It's 4 balls, right? So 4 is less than 8. Okay? Do you understand the greater than and the less than? 5 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 5. 9 is greater than 6. And 4 is less than 8. Okay? Now we are seeing two objects here, right? We are seeing a square and a circle. So between the square and the circle, which is lesser and which is greater? The square is greater than the circle, right? So the square is greater than the circle, and the circle is less than the square. Do you understand? Good. So we understand the concept greater than and less than. Okay. So we understood today's lesson, right? So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment. Okay, that is good.